video. Today in this video, we will understand the uses of accounting. Who are the users of accounting? How many types of users of accounting are there? Okay, so let's understand the users of accounting. There are basically two types of users of accounting. One is internal users and the other is external users. Okay, internal users are those users who run, manages and operates the business organization and are linked with decision making, right? So these are the person who are the real owners of the business and who runs, manages and operates the business organization, and they are the person who take decisions regarding the management or the business operations. Okay, externals are only those person who are interested in knowing the accounting information of an organization, but they are not directly linked with administrative operations. Linked with administrative operations. Okay, so they are not the person who take decisions in the organization. Neither they are called for meetings and nothing else. The meetings which are held are run by the internal users. They only held the meetings and take decisions regarding the business. Externals are just only interested in knowing the accounting information for knowing the creditworthiness of the company for the investing purpose. Okay, so they are not the real owners of the company. So now we'll understand who are the internal users and the external users. Internal users. Number one, owners. Why owners are interested in knowing the accounting information? Because they are the person who are exposed to risk most. Okay, and they contribute capital. They contribute capital. They want to know whether the money they are investing in the company will be fruitful in the future or not, whether the company is running in the good position or not, whether it is not in the recession position or okay. So these all the informations can be seen through the financial statements of the business. Okay, now management. Why management are interested? Because they help to take decisions regarding the business operations. Okay, decision making. It helps in taking the decisions regarding the business operation. For example, what will be the selling price of the product. Okay, to know this we have to understand in detail what is the cost of the product, how the organization is running, whether they are investing in the correct thing or not. Okay, so these all decisions are taken by the management. Employees. Why employees are interested? We all know everyone that if company will run in very good position or he will be in a boom position, then employee will get bonus, will be entitled to bonus, right? So employees are interested to get bonus or some incentives or fringe benefits from the company. Okay, now we'll understand external users. Number one, banking and financial institutions. Why the banking and financial institutions are interested? We know the company, some or the other way, they will take loan from the bank. Okay, so bank will be interested in knowing whether the company will able to return my loan or not, whether he is going to return my loan in future, or whether the loan money will be shown as a debt in future. So they are interested in knowing the creditness of the company. Okay, now the second, investors. Why investors are interested? Though they don't have direct control, do not have direct control, but they want to know the accounting information of the organization for the investing purpose. Okay, they want to know whether the money they are going to invest will give any return or not. Okay, the government. Why government are interested? We know that government ask tax from everyone, from every SSC. Okay, so company have also to pay tax. So government are interested in what position the company is running, because a high profit earning company will have to give a high tax. So government are interested for knowing tax, or we can say tax assessment, right? Creditors. To know credit worthiness of the company. Credit worthy of company, right? So creditors, some of the company take on credit many of the items. So creditors are in worry whether the amount will be paid to them or not. So they are interested to know the position of the company. If the company is having a good position in the market, so they will be risk free and they will be tension free. So no, Ocha, I will get my money back. So he will, in a free mind, will give many of the items on credit. So creditors are interested to know the credit worthiness of the company, right? Researchers. Why researchers are interested? To do research on business. Okay. Consumers. Why consumers are interested? To know whether the cost they are paying for a product is economical or not. Okay, to know the reduced cost of product, or cost control. Okay, so consumers are interested for paying the economical price for any of the product. Okay, public. Why public are interested? To know whether what is the position of the company, okay, how much contribution the company is giving to the economy, what is its substantial contribution to the economy. So public are interested in knowing this. What is the market value, what is the market value of the company, or you can say substantial interest towards economy, right? So these are all the internal and external uses of accounting. Okay, so let's give a thorough revise of the uses of accounting. Uses of accounting. How many types of users were there? One is internal and the other is external, right? Internals are those who run, manages and operates the business organization, and external are those who are just interested in knowing the accounting information of the business. Okay, so internal, there are owners, management, employees. External, banking and financial institutions, government, creditors, researchers, consumers, public, okay, investors. So these are all the uses of external. Hope I have made you clear the difference between internal and external users, and I also wish you have liked this video. If there is any doubt, write on the comment section. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, have a nice day.